Hello, guys. How everyone doing? This is Jarvis Cloud Senior this evening, and welcome to Day One Marketing Inc. and our YouTube channel. And I just wanted to do a video. I have been off my videos for a while, and we're a day before Christmas, and I just wanted to do a video, get back on the camera, and let the viewers know what's been going on and what to expect and what to be looking for going forward. Again, my name is Jarvis Cloud Senior, aka Boss Man. I'm an online marketer and digital entrepreneur. And some of the things that we've been doing is growing or looking for a way that we could scale opportunity of businesses. I'm very, very, very particular about the opportunities that I share in the programs that I look to share with the people that I know or even to refer. And for the last, and it's been years, I've been going through program after program and been looking for something that the average person can do, because if I find that it's hard for me to do investment wise or even tool wise, just complicated mentally and everything's not there, or the program is full with high end funnels or different things that you have to purchase and keep purchasing before you actually get any real substance, then those are the programs or the opportunities that I stay away from sharing those opportunities. So most of the things that I've been sharing, I don't really share a lot, because once I see flaws in the products, I basically stop. Now, it doesn't stop me from researching, and it don't stop me uh, from looking at other things, but it stopped me from sharing it. So it may be some opportunities that you have seen that I've started promoting, and once I start seeing flaws in it, then I stop. And basically, because if it's not a duplicatable system, then it's something that I can't promote. If it's not scalable, that's the number one key word for me. If it's not scalable, and that's coming from with training, tools, and having the right products, and having everything that's just doable from the beginning. If those things not in place, then I basically have to stop that project. And so what have happened and what's coming around for this year and what we're looking at for 2022. Uh, Happy holidays to everybody that's coming in. We're so grateful that everybody that's still maintaining and focusing and still researching, but I've done the work, I've done the research, and I thank the Lord for bringing the research to a close end, because I'm pretty sure I found the system. And so, what I've put together and what I've collectively put to the side to work on from the beginning of 22 and forward is a project that I call the Scale Success System. The Scale Success System. Now, these are not systems that I created, but the Scale Success System is these systems that I've found that are able to scale and able to take your business from small investments to high returns. And each of these systems collectively, the value that you would get for around or less. Each system is less than $25. One is around 30. but everything else no higher than $30. And these collectively is everything that you would need to scale and to take your profits to the next level. So these systems we have put together, if you go to scalesuccesssystem.com or just click the link in the below in the description, you will see the programs, the systems that you are able to scale. And what I mean by scale, that means residual income month to month and everything that you will need. That will come from the training, the tools, the marketing, um, the email, the domains, the swipes, the community, the funnels, everything that you need, high quality products, and the strategies to be able to scale them to the next level. We have them. And as I said, these are not some of the things that I put together. These are just the research over time after time. If it don't work for me, I can't share them with others. And the number one thing that I needed to know that it was able to do, and that was scale. That means put a little money in and get huge returns. And even to the scaling part, it have to be everything that is necessary. And when it comes to being an online entrepreneur, one of the number one things you need is a coach. You need a coach. You need a community, and you need coaching. You need training to teach skill sets and everything in the package that we have for a little around $100 less for each system is $25 or less, but put them all together because you need the whole package, because you need the system, you need the leads, and you need the autoresponder, and you get all that for right around $100. And you put each one of them together yourself, and each one of them come with the residual system, and that's everything. Now, most systems that come and do what we're talking about now, they come in at 5, 10, some even 2, 3, $4,000 for everything. Most companies want 3, 4, $500 a month leads, $200 a while for maybe about 100 leads. Sometimes you can get 100 leads for maybe 50 uh, to $100. They got sources that'll do it. But to get everything for a mere 80 to $100, that's why we call it the scale success system. And that's why if you click the links below, take a look at what we have, because that's why you don't see much on my channel. Because if it's not duplicatable and if it's not scalable, then we don't promote it. A lot of you guys, I appreciate you. You know me, Jarvis Cloud Senior. Check out my other channel too, my ministry channel, Step into Faith Ministry.com. You guys know Minister J Cloud is also what they call me on my ministry channel. But on this channel right here um, is the marketing channel. But for 2022, we at December the 24th, moving forward, these projects, make sure that you guys connect with me because we're going to go forward. Everything is scalable. Everything is doable. Scalable means put something in, get it out. We have everything, all the tools, training strategies, plug in. Let's go to work 2022 to your success, my success, to our success. Let's get it. Let's break free from the 9 to 5, from the noose around our neck, and let's break into residual income because that's what we've been striving for. Now we have the system together. Look, check the links out in the bottom in the description. These things are basic necessities, but what you will find and what you will see is the tools and the number one systems that's going to break and shoot forth in 2022, that all you need to be able to scale a couple dollars into large amounts of income. Okay? Hey, don't take my word. Click the link below in the description. Make sure if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Again, it's the man with the plan, boss man, Jarvis Cloud Sr., aka Jarvis Cloud Sr., Minister J Cloud. I'm glad you guys here on this channel. Day One Marketing Inc., where online marketing begins. And if you guys into the word and you like to check me out on my ministry channel as well, check me out at stepinthefaithministry.com and see me also on the ministry channel as well. Happy holidays to you guys. We signing off. I see you on the inside. Make sure you guys connect with me on my Facebook, Messenger, also Telegram, or email me. My phone number I'll also put at the bottom in case you need any help concerning these systems, because these are the systems that I see and that I found that's going to work and that we're going to stick to from now on and build off these systems. That's something that's duplicatable and something that we all can do for a minor investment and be professionals with all the training, tools, coaching, resources, everything that we need, and able to be in profit in month number one. That's the number one goal. Be in profit in less than 30 days. All right. As they put the income disclaimer, all results are not typical. If you do the work, if you use the system, the small, minor, basic systems that we have in place, and what we're going to be doing, the training and the marketing, everything is, like I said, all these systems. I didn't make the systems, but I have the Facebook, the YouTube channel, and the group that we're going to be using for uh, where we're going to be showing results, a results page, and plugging in, because if you need help with the systems, I collectively put them together. And these are only things I see that for scale. But as far as the tools, there's the systems itself. I didn't create the systems. I just created putting them together. So the people that I share have solid systems of basic necessities and the business models to be able to scale their income and be in profit and build a real business in the next 30 days without chasing friends and families, and giving you everything that you need from day one. All right. Signing off, Jarvis Cloud Sr., Scale Success System, Day One Marketing Inc., the man with the plan. See you guys on the inside. We out.